Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update your macOS to the latest version. Click on this Apple logo in the menu bar and go to System Settings. It will open the System Settings menu where you can choose to switch to the General tab, and within the General tab you have the second option which says Software Update. Just select that and it will start checking for the updates if there are any available. So right now you can see I have two updates here. One is for macOS Sequoia, which is the latest version, and for the existing software that I have, Sonoma, I have built 14.7. So I can choose either one. So since I'm planning for the latest update, I can click on this upgrade now and then agree. And after that I need to verify myself with my passcode. So I just enter that and it will start downloading. Now based on your internet speed and the system performance, it will take a while, anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes. After that your system will be restarted automatically and updated to the latest version. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.